Learning ko.
What are you doing?
Play. Ano yun?
What's that?
What's that? Ito?
No.
No, it's that tae.
No, it's not.
It's not. It's wee-wee.
No.
No. Ito.
Wipe your mouth. Here. You want to pupo?
No.
Wipe your mouth.
Why you pupo?
No.
I hurt you.
What?
Wait.
What is that?
Come on, Mother. Come on, baby. Come on, Mother. Come on, baby. Come on, Mother. Come on,
Hey,
baby.
this is crazy. Hear my number, so call me maybe. Hey.
Okay, up. Oh, well, this was
What did you do sa school?
play, Mommy.
Play?
Yes, that's
And-
cool. And then around.
What?
Around.
And then aral.
And then play.
And then play.
And then story.
What?
Story.
Story. Read story. And then?
Oh my, that's a story. Was Pantay.
What?
Was Pantay the...
Once upon a time.
No. So, I know what time. Ganun si yung dog.
That's dog.
Oh, yung Pantay. Was Pantay. I know story.
Oh, okay.
Ito yun.
Are you going to school again tomorrow? You like it there?
Yes.
What's your baon?
Biscuit.
Biscuits. And then?
And then no kanin.
No kanin.
Kanin.
No! No kanin.
Ah? No kanin?
No kanin.
Tatapon sa bag ko?
Yes. Messy.
Buy mo kanin?
Just biscuits and juice.
Hawak ko lang yung kanin ko.
No, hindi pwede.
Yung bag lang?
Yes.
Kasing kanin.
No, just eat biscuits na lang and bread.
Yung bata.
What's your baon?
Step by right.
What?
Step right.
What's the name of your teacher? Oh, don't eat. That's dirty. What's the name of your teacher? That's dirty. What's the name of your teacher? You don't know?
I don't know.
You know, teacher.
Teacher?
What? Teacher what?
What's that?
No, teacher Mai.
Teacher Mai.
And then your classmates, what are their names?
Girl.
Girl?
Tapos may na girl ko, dalawa.
Oh, really? Very good.
Ako, boy.
You're a boy?
First place nila ako.
Classmate ka nila?
Ah,
Opo! I told you.
kasi nag-utot sila sa akin.
No.
Kung utot sila, ay teacher ko.
Don't utot there, ha? Did you pupo there?
No. Napupo na ako.
Where?
Siya hindi ako nawiwi.
Oh, very good.
Sabi ako, ganun.
What's that?
Ganun yung ganun pa
What's that? What are you doing?
Yung shaggy.
Oh, very good.
Ganun.
Okay. Oh, what's your name?
Marcos, Patoyo, Bacosa!
Very good. How about my name? Your mommy's name?
Larissa, 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 Larissa,
Hmm?
Larissa. Gusto ko Larissa ulit.
Ayaw. Come on.
Gusto ko Larissa ulit.
Ay.
Larissa.
Bacosa.
Larissa. Bacosa.
What's your lolo's name?
Ikaw, Larissa ulit.
Anna.
Anna.
Nerissa.
Larissa.
Nerissa.
Larissa.
Bacosa.
Marisa.
Hey, stop it.
Marisa. Marisa. Huh?
What are you doing?
Ay, ko yung car ko. Para may ganun siya.
Oh, what did you do here? Huh? What have you done? There, oh. Look, oh. Ba't mo tinanggal this one? Why?
Kasi na-open nila yung door.
Wala naman eh. Kahit na matanggalin mo yun.
Kasi, open. Tapos, di siya maalis. Ganun sa house. Yeah. Ganun eh. Di siya open. Kasi na-open niya. Tapos, pasok na siya dati. Ganun lang.
Ano story ni teacher kanina? What? Huh?
Tapos may car na babae.
Car na girl?
Oh, yung sa SP.
PSP?
Oh, na-play ko
What?
yan.
What? Ano po?
Na-play ko yan.
Ano ba did you say first? What?
Apo. Tapos may bulis na sa SP.
PSP?
Oh,
You like
na-play
that?
ko na yun.
You want mommy to buy that?
Di ba yung ganun?
I don't like?
Kasi car lang. Sa'yo yung walang wihaw.
Oh.
Sa'yo may sunog eh.
What sunog?
Tapos may sunog ako ng wihaw.
Oh.
Tapos nasunog yung matso na wet.
Oh. You say hi to Tita Paula.
Hi, Tita Paula.
And say hi to Lola also.
Hi, Lola.
Say hi, Ninang Abby.
Hi, Ninang Habi.
Ninang Abby.
Ninang Ambi, hello.
Say hi to Ninang Joanne.
Hello, Johan.
Ninang Joanne.
Hello, Ninang Joan.
And then say hello to Ninang Choco.
Hello, Ninang Choco.
And then say hello to Ninang Jihan.
Jihan ulit?
No, Jihan again? No, say hi, Ninang Jihan.
Hello, Jihan.
And then say hi, Ninang Mai.
Hi, Ninang Mai.
And then, who else? Hi, Ninang Rona.
Hi, Ninang Rona.
Say, I miss
I
you.
miss you.
Say, I love you. Say, I love you.
I love you.
Oh, say hi, Ninang Joanne again. Ninang Chen Chen.
Hello, Ninang Chen Chen. Utot ka ta, Ninang Chen Chen.
No.
Atot kita na.
Oh, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, I love you.
Love you.
Say good night.
Good night.
Hey,
Night.
look at me. Say good night.
Good night.
Oh, you pray first.
Dear Papa Jesus, thanks for everything.
And then...
And then, utot ka.
No, don't say that. That's bad.
And then, utot lang.
Oh, you say excuse me.
Excuse
No.
me. Trust me, Mommy.
Oh, you say, do you love mommy?
What's that?
You love mommy, Vito?
What's that, Mommy?
It's okay. You love mommy?
Hmm.
Vito, I don't love me. Oh, you say I love you to mommy.
Love you, mommy.
How about to Lola?
No.
Oh, say I love you to Lola.
Lambutos.
Say I love you to Lola first.
Love you, Lola.
And then say I love you to Tita Paula.
Love you, Tita Paula.
Oh, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Utot.
Ay, nako! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mm.